In this video, I'll show you how to install apps on your Samsung Smart TV. This works with many different models. So let's get started. First, take your remote control and you see there is a home button over there. Tap on it once. You'll have this menu appearing on the bottom of the screen, and we need to press on the left side arrow on the remote control once, or sometimes, depending on your model, a few times, until you select Apps. You see over there, Apps. Once you're there, press the OK button, the middle button here between the arrows, to select it. And then you should get this screen. This screen is where all the apps are located, the one that you have and the one that you do not have and you can download. So to search for a specific app, you need to go on the top right corner where there is a magnifying glass. You navigate using the arrows like this, press the middle button, and here you'll have to type the app that you want. If you simply want to browse the apps that are available, go back with the return button on the remote control, go down, and here you're going to have many different suggestions. So let's say sports over there, I'll press OK. And here will be displayed all the apps that are related to sports. So let's check one of these. So let's say I want to download TSN here. I'll press OK. And you'll have the install button. Now it's very important to install any apps on your Samsung Smart TV. You need to be logged into your Samsung account. If not, it's impossible to download anything. If you're logged in, you can simply press the install button, and over here you're gonna get the small loading bar telling you that it's downloading and installing. If not, it will tell you on the screen that you need to log into your Samsung account. And I'll put a small clip in this video showing you what you need to do in case you do not have one and wish to create one. So they will ask you to go on this website here, or if you do not want to type on your smartphone, simply scan this QR code. So take your smartphone, get it closer to that QR code, and on iPhones you're going to see this small yellow sign here. Just tap on it and it will bring you directly to that website. Once you're on that website, press sign in. Then once you're on this screen, you're going to select create account over here. Next step, we need to check every single option here, then press agree. And now you have to fill this small form with your personal information. Once you are done, you're going to press the next button. Now it's time to go on the email you give them and confirm your email. They will give you a PIN code in that email. Copy that PIN code. You need to go back on the Samsung website that you were previously and paste that verification code. Press next. And then press done. On the screen of your TV, you should see that something has changed and that you're now signed in with your Samsung account. Go ahead and press the middle button here to select next. Okay, so we are back here. The TSN app that I just downloaded got installed because once you download an app, it's getting installed automatically. What I suggest is that you select add to home after you download any apps. Why? Because let me show you. I'll press add to home here. It will be added to your home menu here. So here they'll ask you to place the app, and with the arrows you can move it around. Let's say this is an important app and I want to put it first. I'll put it here. If I want to put it last, I just need to put it there and press the enter button. Now every time I will press the home button on my remote control, the apps that are on my home screen will all appear here. So this is why it's important to place it there, because you can download an app, but it will not appear here unless you press add to home. So thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.